Have you ever wanted to learn how to trade, or maybe you've attempted to learn and it just didn't stick? Well, I have a 4-week intensive course that will get you actively trading in just 20 hours. My name is Stephen King, and I'm the president of Real Life Trading, the premier trading education company on the internet. There's a theory that states that it takes 10,000 hours of intensive practice to master a complex skill. But what if you could become proficient in a skill like trading in much less time? And what if I told you I could teach you everything you need to know and help you develop the skills necessary to be an active trader in just 20 hours? Well, it's possible. By applying the principles found in the book, The First 20 Hours, How to Learn Anything Fast by Josh Kaufman, I have broken down the complex skill of trading into easy to learn sub-skills and removed the learning barriers. Through a structured curriculum, personalized coaching, and dedicated practice, I can teach you the fundamentals of trading and how to be a self-sufficient and independent trader capable of making money in the markets in just 20 hours. To learn more, click the link or go to reallifetrading.com.